Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And we opened higher following the global cues. Markets were very resilient ahead of the RBI policy. So people expected 35 basis point or 40 basis point interest rate hike, but RBI governor has gone for a 50 basis point hike, which was more than expected. But that has brought some good news. Rupee has almost appreciated 50 paisa. That's really something good. An appreciation in rupee along with fall in crude oil will be a good combination for Indian markets. So that's why the markets were very firm in the morning. But afternoon there was some selling. Probably domestic institutions must have booked some profit. So Nifty fell more than 100 point, but this is the second time Nifty future has been rejected from 17,500 plus. So markets are shot up so much, and for the last few days markets are consolidating. If you see yesterday close to close basis Nifty just minus 6 point, and today close to close basis Nifty is just plus 15 point. That means 2 days put together Nifty is just plus 9 points only. So this is a good consolidation. So normally when the markets are rallying in a trending market, so it doesn't trend continuously, it trends, then some kind of consolidation happens, again the rally will resume. So there is nothing to worry about this kind of intermittent falls. As I told you, anything more than 100 point fall from intraday high, it is a time to sell put options. But of course, sell put option far away, like 16,800 seems to be a very good support. Coming back to stock specific actions, ICICI Bank is the best performer today among the banking stocks. Anyway, I will come back to ICICI Bank little later. And State Bank of India, morning it was much higher, but again towards the end of the day there was a huge profit booking ahead of its results tomorrow. So today private sector banks were higher, but PSU banks were lower. Now when I am looking at the open interest, so surprisingly huge amount of calls have been written. But I am taking a slightly bullish view. Now let us look at the computer. Today FIIs have bought for 1,600 crores, whereas the domestic institutions have sold about 500 crore. So still FIIs are buying continuously. So that is one of the reasons why I am bullish. And since I said I am bullish, I will let you know what I did today. What I did, I bought one lot of 17,400 call option and sold two lots of 17,900 call option and sold one lot of 17,000 put option. So what is the logic behind it? Let me tell you. So here I put it. I bought one lot of 17,400 call option 267. This is taking the closing price. I don't remember at what price I've done, maybe plus or minus. So to buy this 17,400 call option, I have to pay about 267 rupees from my pocket, roughly about 270 rupees. I sold two call option for 70 rupees each. So that means I collected 70 plus 70, 140. And selling on 17,000 put option, I collected about 130. So 140 plus 130 is 270. So which means that I bought for 270, sold for 270. So that means no credit, no debit. So net credit is showing about 87 rupees. The probability of profit is about 64%. So maximum profit is 25,000 rupees. And mainly look at the risk. So break even 17,000 is the break even on the downside, and upside break even is 18,400. So 18,400, it is somewhere near all-time high. So nothing to worry. So the break-even downside. So I still feel that 17,000 is going to be a strong support. So that's why I am doing this. And now let us look at the chart and look at the Nifty. Nifty shot up from here from around 16,800 to 17,500 in 3-4 trading sessions. Then after that, for the last 4-5 trading session, it is just consolidating. So once after a good consolidation, so if everything goes well, it may go higher, and in that case, so this will be the next resistance, that's around 18,000. So that is why I have given the target, upper target for this month as 18,000. And however, if you want to see where is the support, so the support should come somewhere around here, which is 16,800, or in fact the support can come here also, 17,000 also. So 16,800 to 17,000 will be the support, and resistance will be around 18,000. So what some people are doing, they are selling 17,000 put and 18,000 call, and you can do that. Or if you are bullish, very bullish, as and when there is a market dip, you can go and sell put option 16,800 and below, still trading at a decent premium. So this is about the Nifty. Now come back to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, once again the same thing, after breaking out, there's a huge amount of consolidation ahead of RBI policy. Even after the RBI policy also, it is just a consolidation only. So it's consolidating, so it will break out only the swing high of 38,200 is crossed, and in that case the next resistance will be around 38,800, and the support will be around 37,000. So 37,000 to 38,800 is the range for Bank Nifty. So if you want to sell 38,800 call and 37,000 put, both are trading with a very good premium. I think both are trading above 100 rupees, I think. So this is about Bank Nifty. Now the next stock we are going to discuss, I am going to talk about two stocks. One is ICICI Bank. Look at the chart. So this was the swing high, is a closing. I am just not looking at the wick. So that is where exactly it has closed. So this happened on when it was sometime last year, October 2021. So after that, so whatever the fall has come, so everything has retraced. So the most bullish stock in private sector bank is ICICI Bank, and this is trading very close to all-time high. ITC has crossed all-time high, Bajaj Auto crossed all-time high. So there were few stocks one by one crossing the all-time high. But among the banking stocks, if one stock has to cross all-time high, so that will be ICICI Bank. So definitely if the banks are bullish, so you can consider taking some long position in ICICI Bank. So I will come out with one or two more stocks in Sunday during Dalal Street Week Ahead program. Now let us look at the US markets. So US markets were, the Dow future was trading around 90-100 point plus. At 6 p.m. the jobs data came. So look at the jobs data. So payrolls increased 5,28,000 in July, much better than expected. It's a sign of strength for jobs market. So if a sign of strength for jobs market, then a good news is a bad news for market. So jobs market is good, people will have more money and there will be more inflation. So therefore Fed will increase more interest rate. So therefore markets are down. So it was nearly 100 point plus, now it has come to 150 point minus. So that means it's a fall of 250 points. So anyway, so this is just a pre-market. Who knows? This is a knee-jerk reaction. So let the market open in US. So let us see where it closes. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.